What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll have another look into the Chainlink price chart because we have an update on our $32.17 price target, and there also are some updates regarding my open trading positions. So I would say let's directly have a look right here. In the last update we were at this daily candle right here, and I said that when we have a daily candle close above this resistance zone right here, then I will open my first long position in Chainlink. That has happened, so I have opened my first long position right here. Then we directly got to our next resistance level where we also made a very nice liquidation candle, but so far we got rejected. And you may remember also that I said in case that we are getting rejected from this zone, that then my next buying opportunity would be as soon as we are going back to the trend line. And right now we basically have done both. So first of all, we have done the daily candle close above the resistance level. I opened my first trading position, then we got a little bit higher, got rejected, and then today we got back to the trend line. Therefore, I opened another buying position, and with this buying position, I lowered my overall entry, and I will put my position on the screen right here. Currently, you can see it's minus 7.62%. Please also don't forget that this is with 5x leverage. That is why the number is always a little bit higher. So my entry, so the first entry was here, the second entry was down here, somewhere around here I think, and right now my average entry is basically at the beginning of this resistance zone right here. So this is about 30 pennies, so not that much. And at the moment I don't have any fixed plans to add to these positions. And when I mean fixed plans, I mean that I don't have any specific targets where I say, okay, when we hit this price level, then I will add to my positions, because at the moment I'm waiting for some more clarity right here. So because we made a breakout, then we got rejected, then we touched the trend line again. Right now it seems like that we are doing a little bounce right here. But also there is the time invalidation of our price target right here, because you know that we get an invalidation if we are not back in the rectangle. That means if we don't have a daily candle close above this resistance level right here until the second half of the rectangle is starting. This is in 5 days. So that means we only have 5 days left to do a move like this with a daily candle close above this level right here. Therefore, I think that the decision if this price target will be invalidated will be made with the rate cut decision and how the market reacts to this. Because if the market reacts positively, I can imagine Chainlink very well going back above this resistance level. If the market reacts negatively, then I also see Chainlink here also below this trend line, potentially even going here to these support levels right here. And the lower one is also the price invalidation for this price target. So you see right now we are in a messy situation right here where we first want to have some more answers to do the next steps. And that is exactly why I said right now I have my first positions opened. And right now I'm waiting for what is about to happen next. My general plan with these positions is to hold them long term. I want to open more and more positions over the long term. So when the alt season really is going off, that then the trading positions will pay out. And I'm not looking for small gains where I say like, okay, I make 10% on this position and then I close it and then I wait for the next opportunity. That is not my plan. So it's little bit different trading approach than the normal one where you have a fixed risk reward ratio. So that is not what I'm currently doing. Currently I'm really planning to add my positions at specific and good levels and then hold them, I would say, more the midterm, because you know that when you have these crazy price increases, then normally they don't last very long. But that is basically the point what I'm currently playing on with these positions. Therefore, I am waiting right now, and I guess, and I do not guess, I'm pretty sure about 95% that the decision will be made on Wednesday when we have to rate cut if this price target here will remain active or not. And when I'm saying that this price target is not active anymore, that means invalidated. That means that we have a 90% likelihood of not hitting the price target within the time window right here. The time window in this case is the 24th of October. And you know, as always guys, in case there should be any updates, I will upload a new video, so make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss this. Also, in case you have any questions, feel free to post them down in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.